Tonality and pausing are everything when it comes to your success on cold calls. You can have exactly the same script and get completely different results depending on how you use your voice and your body language, which carries your voice, and your pausing during the call. Let me give you 2 examples. Hi, Stephen Long, calling from the Influence Academy. Sorry to catch you on the hop. I know you weren't expecting the call, and yes, this is a cold call. If you can just give me 60 seconds, I'll explain why I'm calling. At the end of that, we can decide it's worthwhile and carry on further, or if not, I'll be out of your hair. How's that sound? Or, hi, Stephen Long from the Influence Academy. Sorry to catch you on the hop. I know you're busy, you weren't expecting the call, and yes, this is a cold call. Let me explain why I'm calling. I'd like to take a minute to explain what we do and how we can do it, see if it's any help to you. If it is, we can have a further conversation. If not, I'm out of your hair. How's that sound? No, seriously, how's that sound? Just rewind it a little bit. Hi, it's Stephen Long, calling from the Influence Academy. Slight pause to let them take it in. Sorry to catch you on the hop. I know you weren't expecting the call, and yes, this is a cold call. Slight pause, upward levels in the voice to make it sound slightly jokey. Let me explain why I'm calling. I just want to take 60 seconds to explain what we do and how we can do it, see if it's any relevance to you. If it is, we can talk further, and if not, I'll be out of your hair. How does that sound?